In this lesson, we'll work on our Stretchy FK arms. Now the great thing is we've already taken care of our legs, so we have an idea of what needs to go into our arms. We know that we need to unfreeze the length of our shoulders and forearms. We should also go in and freeze transforms on our nub objects so that their transforms are zeroed out. That way we don't run into any shifting when we wire our parameters. So with both nubs selected, let's go ahead and take care of that. If you need to, go in and refreeze your wrist controls. If you have to, make sure that you do change the axis order back to X, Z, Y. Alright, so we've taken care of the nubs. Let's go ahead and start unfreezing our lengths. We'll find our bone tools. And we could always start with the left arm. We'll go ahead and grab shoulder FK. And let's go ahead and unfreeze the length here. Let's do the same thing for our forearm. And now we can go ahead and move over to our right arm and take care of that. So there's one, there's two. We're now ready to wire parameters. All right, so this is really straightforward. Let's go ahead and grab the forearm control, and we'll right click, choose wire parameters. That's going to be transform, position 0, position X, and we know that that needs to be tied into our forearm bones, position 0, position X axis. Alright, so we're tying X to X, Y to Y, and Z to Z. Let's go ahead and take care of that. Alright, so notice no shifting at all. Let's go ahead and now take care of the wrist. So I'll go ahead and grab the nub and load that on our right side. And the wrist control we can go ahead and load in on our left side. We'll now need to search for our position list. There's one, and there's two. Alright, so again, we're connecting X to X, Y to Y, and Z to Z. So there's one, there's two, and three. Alright, let's go ahead and test this out. So now when we start to move our wrist control, we'll notice that the nub separates. Great. And when we start to move our forearm control, again, that starts to separate. Beautiful. So everything is working properly, and we'll now want to repeat these steps for the left arm. So I'll go ahead and leave that up to you. And once we're finished, we'll be ready to set up our Stretchy IK arm.